Let's make my lemon roast potatoes, also known as my Greek roasted potatoes. I do have a full Lara in the kitchen video in depth on making these, but this is just a shorter version because remember, these kinds of videos, I call them from my point of view, are just to inspire you in the kitchen, give you more food inspiration, and kind of share what we love to cook and eat in this house. And we love these lemon roast potatoes. I make them all the time. They're great all year long, but particularly good in the summer against grilled fish, vegetables, your grilled protein, your roasted protein. It's just dynamite. I went ahead and peeled and chunked up some russet potatoes. You could also do like an Idaho potato. I don't love a golden potato for this, but you can really use any with the exception of sweet potatoes. And then I squeezed lots of fresh lemon juice that I added to some chicken stock along with olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a really good hefty pinch of good quality dried oregano. Give that a nice mix. At this point, my oven's already preheated to 425. I tumbled my potatoes in my roasting pan. I always line my roasting pan with some parchment paper and make sure that the potatoes are in one single layer. Cover them with the lemony mixture. Now, in the original recipe, I went ahead and parboiled them a little bit first, but actually I haven't been doing that. What I've been doing instead is just covering them with aluminum foil, cooking them 45 minutes covered, and then taking the foil off for like 20 to 25 more minutes or until they look like this, and they are perfect. They absorb that lemony broth. They're succulent and delicious. These are not crispy potatoes, but they're the most mouth-watering, like I said, lemony, tangy potatoes ever. Full recipe already on my site. Hope you love them and I hope you make them.